you've been spending any time on YouTube lately, you've probably watched tons of video about side hustle, promising easy money with zero effort. But let's be real, if it's really that easy, wouldn't everyone quit their job and start making money online? 2 years ago, I made a pretty big switch. I left my career in medicine to building a career in digital marketing, which is totally a different world. And probably like many of you, I started by doing some online side hustle to create more freedom and also to generate more income. So today I want to share some of the realistic online side hustle that actually work. These are ones that I've tried myself or I've seen working for people around me. I'll also rank each one based on how much time it takes and how hard it is to earn your first $100. Plus, I'll give you some practical tips so you can start taking action after watching. Let's start with the first one, which is an AI-powered content services. So we're in the age of AI, which also means the barrier to entry for content creation is lower than ever. You don't really need a degree in writing or marketing. A lot of AI tools like ChatGPT or Cloud allows beginners to deliver high quality content quickly. And you can use these AI tools to your advantage. Things that you can do, for example, you can write a blog article. You can use ChatGPT or Surfer SEO to generate optimized blog posts for small businesses or creators. Another thing is you can use this AI to generate Instagram captions. So if you want to start working as a social media manager, you can offer weekly or monthly packages to help brands plan their content faster. This will also help you to create email newsletters, and with this you can reach out to coaches or e-commerce stores to craft better campaigns using AI tools like Jasper. You can also use this to write product descriptions, so you can offer this service to business owners on Shopify or Etsy stores. And there's a lot of other services that you can offer with these AI tools. But here's the actionable steps on how you can get started. First, you want to choose a niche, whether you want to target wellness, fashion, or tech company. And then you have to learn the tools like ChatGPT, Jasper. I would highly suggest to use Grammarly as well if you're working with a lot of copywriting, as well as Surfer SEO if you want some help with search engine optimization. And this is one important part that you don't want to skip. You want to create at least 3 content samples. So this can be a blog post, IG post, or email. Make sure that all of these content samples actually reflect the quality of the work that you can produce. Then you need to add this in your portfolio. So you can use either Canva or Notion to build a free portfolio. Once you have everything ready, then you can start outreaching for a potential clients. You can use platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, or via cold email. The client types that you can target with these services are coaches, solo founders or entrepreneurs, Etsy sellers, or creators. I would say like the time investment you need for this is 2 out of 5. It doesn't take a long time to learn about copywriting and also marketing once you know how to master these AI tools. But depending on your niche, you do need to follow up the trend to make sure that you know how to use these AI tools to target the right audience. And the difficulty to reach your first $100, I would say it will be 2 out of 5. Let's say you want to use this skill and position yourself as a social media manager. You can easily charge $500 per month. And that is if you only have one client. I wouldn't suggest to take as many clients as you want, because even though it sounds easy, unless you're working with clients with the same niche, it does take a lot of time to do the keyword research and also to research about the trends on each niche. So let's move to the second one, which is build and sell web applications. This is one of the most underrated opportunities right now. While a lot of people still focusing on traditional websites, you can use Hostinger Horizon that lets you take it a step further by building actual web apps with interactive features using AI. So if you're not familiar with web application. It is basically a software program that runs on your web browser. So you can think of it as a website gives you information and a web application lets you do something. And please don't get overwhelmed yet because it is actually not as complicated as it sounds to do this type of side hustle. And this is the best part. You don't even need to learn how to code because Hostinger Horizons is using AI. It is as easy as just chatting with the AI, letting it know what exactly do you want to build and what type of feature you want to have in the web applications, and the AI will build it for you. So to get started, you can head to Hostinger Horizons. Here you just have to chat with the AI, letting it know what do you want to build. Let's say you want to create a landing page for one of your clients. And what's great about this, you can also add a personalized image. So you can customize your own image using your preferred tools and then just upload it on here. And then the AI will put it in the website. Once it's done, you can connect features like stripes for payment or email notification. And then you just have to share the web app with local businesses, your clients, or online audience. The space is still fresh, meaning you have less competitors and it's easier to stand out. So what you can do with this is you can build a digital menu or catalog that's easy to update and share. Or you can also set up an online booking system for services or appointment. Another thing that you can create with Hostinger Horizon is a registration form for email confirmation for events. So here the tools that you have to learn are Hostinger Horizons, which is pretty easy to learn. You just need to know how to navigate throughout the website, how to connect Stripe for payment, and your favorite design platform if you need to add some image or other visuals. As you can see, within minutes, the landing page is ready and you can just customize it. So here, for example, if you need to do some edits, maybe you want to add the brand colors, you can also just change it by chatting with AI. So once you have the visual that you like, you can go ahead and click publish. And why I love Hostinger Horizon, they even take care of the domain, so you can just get your domain easily from here. So once it's done generating the web app, you can just click preview. I still can't believe it that this is done within a couple minutes and you just have to write the prompts. And there you have it. And the time investment you need here, I would say 2.5 out of 5. It doesn't take a long time to build the web app with the help of Hostinger Horizons, but you'll probably spend more time doing a back and forth with your client if they have any revision or photos or any illustration that they want to include in the web app. As the difficulty to make your first $100, it's 2 out of 5. It really depends on the type of web app. So depends on what it does, who's it for, and how it's monetized. So if you're selling it as a subscription model, then you can have a recurring income. So for example, if you create a social media scheduling web app, then typically people charge from $9 to $49 per month. If you want to sell it as a one-time purchase or a lifetime deal, then you can easily sell it for $100 to $300. So if you have an idea in mind, this is a perfect time to start bringing it into life. You can try it out and start building your online tool today. You can also use my code to get 10% off your first month. I will put the link in the description down below. Next one is selling digital product. Digital product is one of my favorite income streams because you only have to create it once and you can sell it repeatedly, which means you don't really have to trade your time for money. This is a great online side hustles because you don't have to deal with clients, inventory, or shipping. So once you created your product, you can keep earning every time someone purchased the product. I personally have sold couple digital products, for example, my How to Become a Digital Nomad guidebook and How to Land Brand Deals with Less than 3,000 followers. So it does take time to build the initial products. It depends on what type of digital product you're planning to sell, but how you can get started generating income with this is first you need to know what you want to sell. Either it's a recorded course or an ebook, or if you want to sell a Notion template, which I've seen a lot of people are doing lately. You can also sell digital planners or trackers or even Canva templates or Google Sheets templates. So how you get started is first you want to pick a topic that you're good at. Think of the most common question that people usually go to you and ask about. For me personally, it was like, how do I work with brands and getting paid to create content even when I only have 3,000 followers on Instagram? Or how I transitioned to become a digital nomad and start working remotely from pretty much any location that I want. So I would say script everything, all the outline, the information on Google Docs, and then you can use either Canva, Notion, or Google Sheets to start creating your product. Then you can create mockups or the product image. This is important to show in your listing because people need visual of what they're buying when they're gonna purchase a product. And then you can either list it on Etsy, Gumroad, or I personally use Payhip. Once you have your products ready, then you can start marketing your product. You can either promote it on Instagram, TikTok, or through email marketing. So depending on what type of products you created, you can sell it to freelancers, aspiring digital nomad, small creators, students, people who are looking for side hustles. And the tools that you need to learn here are pretty much Canva, Notion, Gumroad, or any type of listing website that you want to use to sell your product, Etsy, and CoverKit if you want to do email marketing to market your product. I would rate the time investment 3 out of 5. It does take some time to build the product in the beginning. You need to write, design, list the product, but once it's live, it's pretty much act as a passive income. The difficulty to make your first $100, I would say it's 3 out of 5. With this type of digital product, it's more of a low ticket product, meaning you cannot price it too high. I personally sell mine for around $40 to $50, and you need to know how to market your product. So it really helps if you already have an existing audience. Next is to become a virtual assistant or a VA. This is a great opportunity to land a remote job with the skills that you already have. There's low competition for beginners because businesses always need help behind the scene. You can pretty much work from anywhere, choose your hours, and scale it up as you gain more clients. So what you can do as a virtual assistant is you can help founders manage inboxes and their calendars, schedule and engage with social media posts. You can help handling customer service or order updates, do research tasks, for example, finding podcast guests or content ideas, organize digital files, spreadsheets, or set up simple systems. So if you want to get started as a virtual assistant, first you want to list 3 to 5 things that you're good at. This can be writing emails, social media, research, or organizing. Then you can create a simple portfolio using Canva or Google Docs. Make sure that you put all of the skills that you're good at in the portfolio. If you have some previous job that require the skill that you mentioned, you can also include that. And you can start promoting your service on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even inside Facebook groups. There's a lot of Facebook group for virtual assistant, or you can join an online business's owner. Usually they always look for a virtual assistant. Once you found the ideal client, you want to pitch your service and make sure to ask for testimonials so you can use it to land your next client. The client types that usually work with virtual assistant are coaches, podcaster, content creators, e-commerce brands, and small business owners. To work as a VA, there are some tools that you need to learn. First one is Google Workspace, Notion, Calendly, and depending on what type of work that your client does, you might need to learn a couple more platforms. The time investment here is 3 out of 5. As a VA, because it's a low barrier entry, you do trade your time for money. Scheduling or engaging with social media posts, handling customer service can take a huge chunk of your time, but the trade-off is you can do this pretty much remotely. The difficulty to make your first $100 is 2 out of 5. As a VA, you can offer your service for around $300 to $500 per client. Next one is coaching and tutoring. This is a great way to monetize revise something that you already know by teaching others. The difference with virtual assistant is as a VA, you work by selling your service, and by coaching, you're selling your knowledge. This is a great online side hustle because people do pay for guidance, accountability, and also personalized help. So whether you're great at math, productivity, content strategy, you can teach what you already know and get paid. So things that you can do are tutor school subject or language online, offer career or lifestyle coaching. You can run creative workshop via Zoom, or create a one-on-one group coaching packages. To get started, you want to identify a skill that people already asked you about. And then you can create a simple offer, for example, one-on-one call for $50 or more. Then you need to set up Calendly and Stripe to start taking bookings. Obviously, you need to talk about this service to sell it and market it. So you need to promote it through your stories, TikTok, or in your community. Or if you're teaching online, then you can sign up to platform like Preply or italki. So the client types that you can target here are students, creative, or early stage entrepreneurs. Tools that you need to master for this are Zoom for the online calls, Calendly so people can book the time, Stripe, and Notion. I would rate the time investment here 3 out of 5 because again, you're offering a service, so you get paid whenever people book a call, and then you need to do the call with your clients or your students. The difficulty to make your first $100, I would rate it 3 out of 5. Usually for language learning or any school subject or any type of tutoring, people charge around $20 to $30 per one lesson. But if you're offering a coaching call, then you can price it higher. This is a great online side hustle because video content is booming. No matter what type of social media platforms people are using, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, businesses or content creators constantly need to edit a video. But most people might not have the time or the skills to edit. So if you know how to edit a video, whether it's short form or long form, this is a type of side hustle that you can try. What you can do is you can edit a YouTube videos for creators. With short form, you can try Reels, Shorts, or TikTok for brands. And you can also use podcasts for repurposing into social clips. How to get started is first, obviously, you want to learn how to edit a video. If you already know the basic, then maybe you can take some time to even improve your video editing skills. I would say you want to pick whether you want to do long form editing or short form editing. You can use CapCut or Adobe Premiere, and you can re-edit your favorite creator clips and send it as a sample. You can pitch your service via email or DM. And the client types that you want to target are creators, podcasters, brands, or influencers. I would say always make sure that you send them a sample. It's even better if you can send them a sample of their own clips or content that you re-edit to kind of paint them what type of result you can give them. The time investment for this is 4 out of 5. I personally know how long it takes to edit a video, whether it's long form or short form. But the good news is the difficulty to make $100 is only 2 out of 5. This is because if you are an experienced video editor, then you can charge higher for your service. Anyway, those are all the realistic side hustle that you can try this year. There's no more reason for not building your side hustle and generate more incomes. And thank you again, Hostinger Horizon, for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out Hostinger Horizon, remember to use my link so you can get 10% off your first month. That's it for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!